Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use live speech on your Mac, iPhone, iPad and Apple Watch even. You can do same process of all product. This demonstration I will provide you on my Mac. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So simply I will show you the demo. I just simply click here. I already activated and type here something and then simply play.
How to use live speech on Mac.
You can type here any of the text sentence and then after that you can play particular software or read whatever you want the specific one, and after that the all sentence is correct as you type. You can use this sentence wherever you want use. How to activate? It's very simple. The Apple menu, system setting. After that the setting is open here. Click the ability. After that you need to scroll down here and here one of the options are available, live speech. You just simply click and live speech is a disable on your Mac, so you just simply enable. Preferable language, which language you want speak, you can decide and select. I select simply here English, and the voice, which voice you want to use as a speak content point of view. So many languages are available here, but I just simply use Indian Siri voice 1. And here font size also available. You just simply increase the font size or decrease the font size depend upon your choice. So I go with like a 28. That's it. So how to activate this one? After that you just simply close, and here automatically one option are coming here top of your screen. If you click, the live option is gone. If you again click, the live option is activate. So this is one of the best process to speak content as a live perspective. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.